How to make your hair shine. Having shiny hair that is also silky can be a sign of health, youth, and proper care. Your scalp can even reflect what is happening in your life or what is going on outside, in the environment. Therefore, it is important to take care of your hair and feel good about it. You have most likely used costly and harsh treatments for your hair. Maybe they didn't work or not how you wanted them to. In this case, we would like to offer you some natural alternatives for caring for your hair and keeping it at the height of your youth and beauty. Our alternatives? 1. Banana and egg. Take a banana and cut it into small pieces. You should beat it until it has a composition similar to a puree. Then, take an egg, without the yolk, and mix the banana with the egg white until you get a thick mixture. Stir it more and put it in your hair. If you would like, you can also mix it with yogurt and liquefy it. Your hair will be grateful for it. 2. Mayonnaise. In this case, mayonnaise will act as a conditioner for your hair. It may be somewhat uncomfortable because of the grease in mayonnaise, but it will be effective. What you should do is apply the mayonnaise as a mask to your hair. You should leave it in for approximately 20 minutes. For more comfort, wear a plastic glove or cover your hair in a plastic bag. After 20 minutes, wash your hair to remove the mask. If you would like, you can use conditioner. This treatment is somewhat harsh, but it will work because it offers a little bit of grease for your scalp. It works better on dry hair. 3. Avocado. For this recipe, you will need 1 avocado if you have short hair, or 2 avocados if you have long hair. You should mash the avocado until you get a thick paste. You should apply this paste to your hair from the roots to the tips. Leave it on for 20 minutes. Then, wash it like normal. Repeat this procedure every 2 days or on alternating days. 4. Beer. First, you should leave the beer out for an hour or a little more so that the foam goes away. After, put the beer on clean hair for 10 minutes, massaging it in. To remove the beer, use plenty of water and conditioner. The smell of the beer will be taken away with the conditioner. 5. Aloe and honey. It's no secret that aloe and honey have brightening effects on your hair. In this case, what you should do is simple. Take 4 inner leaves of aloe and extract the inside, as is. Also, take 3 tablespoons of honey. Add these components to your shampoo and wash it normally. 6. Fruit mask. For this procedure, you will need a little bit of time and some basic products. First, peel and mash 2 bananas. Then, squeeze 2 oranges and mix with the mashed up bananas. Mix them until you get a thin paste. Add 5 tablespoons of honey to it. Continue mixing until you get a homogeneous mixture. Apply it onto your hair by massaging it with your fingers. Leave it on for 2 hours and then wash your hair. 7. Lemon. Few drops of lemon in a bowl with a good amount of water, preferably not too much. Put it on your hair and let it sit for 15 or 20 minutes. Lastly, wash your hair. We recommend you do this at night, or, if you do it during the day, make sure you don't go out in the sun. We recommend and avoid using dryers or flat irons without checking their temperature protection beforehand. Use conditioning, nourishing masks at least once a week and brush your hair gently. Also, always try to keep your hair cuticles naturally smooth. By keeping your scalp well cared for, it will definitely reflect the sun's rays very well.